Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to do this beautiful twisted bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and we're just going to divide off a little bit of hair at the top. So I'm going to take my fingers from about the end of the eyebrow and run this all the way back to the back of the head, and repeat this on the opposite side. And make sure it comes down just into that crown area, and clip this out of the way for later. Put the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and we're going to divide this in half and simply twist the sections around one another to create a twist, and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Now all we're going to do is wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail and tuck the ends underneath. Then just secure this all the way around the outside of the twist with a few bobby pins to keep it nice and secure. Release that top section down, and we're going to split it in half, and again simply we're going to wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Make sure you direct this downwards towards that bun. When you reach the bun, we're going to add some texture spray to that twist. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description for you. And then we're going to use our fingers to gently pinch and pull on the left and right hand side of the twist as much as you can to make it nice and voluminous. Now we're going to secure those little pulled parts of the twist to the head using a few bobby pins. So pull each side out, and when you're happy with it, just add a bobby pin to keep it secure to the head. Continue doing this from left to right until you reach the bun. Once you reach the bun, carry on twisting the hair and gently pinching and pulling the hair out at either side. And again, secure this twist to that bun with a few bobby pins. Now when you get to the end of the hair, all we're going to do is tuck this up and underneath that bun, and again secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.